Okay, so all the holes are drilled. This hole up front is for an eye bolt. We'll show you in a little bit what that's for. There's a hole over here for the thermometer that is very useful as you cook your food. Up here there's 3 holes for a hinge, and then back over here there's 3 more holes for another hinge. And we'll mount those later. All this will be mounted after we finish this up, and then we'll paint it. Put a nice coat of heat resistant paint to it. And there's a lot of brands of heat resistant paint. Rust-Oleum makes a brand. Premium makes a brand. And now what we're going to do is draw a circle about 12 inches from the end, and we're going to get ready to mount the chimney. We're going to find a place here where we're going to mount the chimney, and you really need to go about 12 inches from the end, so when you tip this up on your grill, this chimney does not hit the concrete grill behind it, because you're still going to have 8 to 10 inches of concrete block behind this. So you want to go above that. So I'm going to go a full 12 inches. Now, okay, the circle is made. The safety glasses are on. And what we need to do now is, we have our circle. We're going to try our best to use a metal blade on a jigsaw made by Bosch. I've got 4 blades. Hopefully only one will be needed, but you never know. So I need to drill a hole somewhere right over here, and I need to go inside the hole where I've got plenty of room to maneuver and hopefully cut around that metal pretty easily. So there's where I'm going to start, right there. Alright, we're going to add a little oil on this. Let's see, right there. And let's see if we can get us a pretty good sized hole. There we go. Okay, let's see if this will work. Oh, that went through pretty easily. Very nice. Alright, let's scrape those shavings up. And the next thing we want to do is try to get the jigsaw going. And let's see if we can cut a little bit here. We need to put a lot of oil on this because, again, we don't want to break any blades if we can help it. That's why safety glasses are important. And again, we're going to use a lot of oil on this. We can wipe all that off a little later. I am right-handed, so I'm going to start on this side, I think. And we'll see if we can get her done. But you can't see it, can you? Let me try over here. And that fits in pretty nice. That's cool. So we've been cutting this circle with this nice steel blade for this Craftsman jigsaw. This is probably the hardest cut of the whole process, the whole project. I have about 1 inch left, maybe 3/4 inch left, so I thought I'd finish it up. And use plenty of oil on this or you'll be sorry, and have jigsaw bits made for steel. The more teeth per square inch, or per inch, the better off you are. Oh yeah, look at that circle. Okay, we gotta clean that up and see what else we can do about getting that ready. I'll take a file and I'll file around it, get those rough edges off, and it'll be ready pretty soon. So we have some rough edges here. Let's take this file and work on them a little bit. And let's see if this thing here, this would fit in. I doubt it. No, almost. Look at this. just a little bit of filing right there, and I think we got it. So we filed this out, ground it a little bit more with the blade, and let's see if this will go in now. Oh, there we go, look. Oh yeah, that's looking good now. Look at this. Let's put this baby on there. And let's see here. Now we have our cap. Here's a cap. And we're going to put this at the top. And you know what? That's looking like a nice chimney. Hey, like that. Let's show you the whole thing. There it is. Oh yeah, I like it. So let's review so far what we've done to our cover for our cinder block grill. First of all, we cut a 6-inch hole there for the chimney. We also drilled 3 holes there and 3 more holes way over here for the hinges. And then right next to the chimney hole, we also drilled a small hole for the thermometer. Then way up top here in the middle, about 6-7 inches down, 18 inches across, you have another hole, and an eye bolt is going to go there, and you'll see why as we go along. So we're in good shape here. This is looking great. There it is, and it didn't cost a whole lot of money. Anyway, we're going to clean her up, and we're going to start spray painting in about 5 minutes. Okay, so here's our grill cover. We're going to spray paint it with premium high heat enamel. It resists heat up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. It renews grills, wood stoves, radiators, and more. And I don't know if I'm going to hear this. Okay, here's the tip right here. I've been shaking it up. Let's see if we can get some paint on this thing here. One can should be plenty for what I need, I hope. So the cover now is all ready. All the holes are drilled, it's painted. I put 2 coats of paint on the top, and I got about a half a can or 3/4 can left. I had to buy 2 cans of paint for this, but I'm now ready to mount all the hardware and put on the chimney. What I'm going to do now is stand it up on end so I can get to the bottom of this and the front, and then I can mount the hinges, the thermometer, and the eye bolt. And we'll be doing that, and we'll get back with you in a few minutes, and we'll show you how it looks. So here is the cover. Everything is attached. The next thing I need to do is I probably ought to drill these on and put some concrete screws through this to hold these hinges on. Okay, so let's run a couple concrete screws through these hinges, and then after we attach the chain in the back, this baby's diaper is on, it should be done. So let's see here what we can do. Don't forget your safety glasses. It's important. You only have 2 eyes and you only have them one time.